Hi guys, welcome to my channel Shimmers and Polishes. If you are anyone who likes eye makeup, crocheting, DIY and nail art videos, then you're at the right place. So welcome to Shimmers and Polishes, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon next to it for notification. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create this beautiful, colorful, yellow, purple eye makeup look. If you like edgy eye makeup look, this is the look for you guys. So let's get going. To begin with, I'm going to apply Maybelline's Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Fair. You can use any light concealer so that the colors will pop. And I'm not going to set that with some powder. I'm going to straight go with this purplish shade from the 35B Color Burst palette by Morphe, and I'm going to apply that on the outer two-third part of my eye. I'm going to first use an angle brush to create the shape I want, and I'm then going to use a blending brush and I'm going to add that color and I'm going to blend that well. This color is slight patchy. It was very difficult to work with, so I'm just going to dab that color. And the next color is the color called Sunshine. So it's a beautiful yellow color from the same palette, but it wasn't showing through on my skin. I do not know why. I wanted a bright yellow pop of color for this eye makeup look, so I'm still trying to work with this color, and I'm going to blend that both colors together so that they don't look harsh. And this, I'm going to use Maybelline's Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Medium plus LA Girls Concealer in the shade Medium Beige as my to cover my under eye dark circles, and I'm going to set that in place with some translucent setting powder, which is not shown here. I'm going to use Sugar's Brow Definer in the shade Cherry Brown. I'm going to fill in the sparse areas of my brows. This eye makeup look was inspired by the chocolate called Flakes. So if you see the wrapper, this is the colors. So I just love Flakes and I love this eye makeup look. Next, I'm going to use Maybelline's Colossal Alcohol on my upper waterline. I'm going to use the Balm's Mary Luminizer as my brow bone highlight and inner corner highlight. I'm going to use Wet n Wild's Liner Pencil Calling You Puff. It's a beautiful nude shade on my low waterline. I'm going to curl my lashes, and I'm going to use this beautiful Isadora Stretch Lash Mascara. It's a 2-in-1 mascara because the one gets bigger for the upper lash line and smaller for the lower lash line. I hope you understand what I mean. Next, I'm going to use Huda Beauty's Electric Obsession palette, and I'm going to dab that bright yellow color over my lid to get that pop of beautiful yellow. And here is the look, you guys. I have forgotten to shoot the lower lash line colors, so you can use the same colors on your lower waterline. And this is the final look, you guys. Easy, colorful, purple yellow eye makeup. Perfect for anyone who loves colors or who loves edgy eye makeup, and very easy to create. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe to my channel Shimmers and Polishes, and follow me on Instagram as well, guys, and show some love by hitting that subscribe button. There are many more easy videos on my channel, colorful videos, so do go and check them out and show some love. And I love you guys. Bye.